What's up guys, in this video I will show you a meme project that you surely don't want to miss. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so Wall Street memes landing page link will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out the website and see for ourselves what are the things that I feel you guys need to know about this project. Okay, so first things first guys, how do you buy this coin? Alright, so let's go ahead and click on this one. So how to buy Wall Street memes token. So first step guys, send ETH or BNB to your wallet and ape in using your preferred chain. Use the presale widget above to swap. So if I scroll all the way up, you would see this one right here. So as soon as you already have your ETH or your BNB, you could also use USDT here, you will be able to swap them to your Wall Street meme coins already. All right, so next step guys, step number 2 would be you could also buy WSM token. So WSM is the Wall Street memes token with USDT, ERC20 or BEP20. So I personally choose BEP20 simply because the gas fees are way cheaper. All right, so use the USDT option and swap to your desired amount. Then lastly, the third one would be prefer plastic, no problem. Have your own crypto wallet address on hand and order the WSM tokens using your bank card. Okay, so you could use your card as well to purchase your tokens. All right, next up guys, let's go ahead and check out the tokenomics real quick here. So they have 50% for marketing, they have 30% for community rewards, 10% for central exchange liquidity, and then 10% for the decentralized exchange liquidity. Okay, so the launch of the WSM token will help sustain the growth of the Wall Street memes community and reward loyal members. This is one of the ambassadors right now, and there are still a lot of ambassadors that will be coming in soon. So they also have, real quick, let me show you this one. So this is their Twitter account. You would see 229,000 followers already. Go ahead and follow this Twitter account as well. And they also have their own YouTube channel. So Wall Street memes, you could go ahead and check that one out. That way when they come up with new videos, maybe tutorials or maybe tips or some things like that, you will definitely be notified. For Twitter, like giveaways and all those good stuff, so you would definitely be updated on those. All right, so next one would be the roadmap. So first phase, foundation, you have smart contract development, community building, branding and marketing, merchandise and swag. So for the phase 2, they don't have the exact dates here, but they have like the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 already all set. So phase 2 would be the token launch, partnerships, token listings, exchange listings, and awareness campaigns. So for phase 3 guys, community empowerment, gated community, unlock exclusive benefits in the WSM gated community, early updates, so exclusive contents and interactive experiences await you. They also have the market cap goal. So for the market cap goal guys, they are aiming high. They're aiming for $1 billion of market capitalization. So Tier 1 CEX listings get listed on top tier CEX, boost liquidity, accessibility, and reach for all Wall Street meme warriors. So as you notice guys, there are basically a lot of meme coins that are very successful in like the huge exchanges like Binance, Coinbase. So why not WSM, right? So this is something that you could go ahead and check out, see if this is something that you would like to invest on as well. Who knows, right? It may go to the moon as well. So they are also giving away $50,000 worth of WSM tokens split between 5 lucky degens in a very generous Wall Street memes airdrop. Enter below and make sure that you are in it to win it. So you can go ahead and do this activities right here so you could earn more entries. So more entries means more chances of winning. So again guys, go ahead and check them out. They have a lot of socials that you could also follow them on. They have Instagram, you have Twitter, you have Telegram, you have Discord, TikTok, and YouTube as well. So go ahead and make sure you do your own research. And if you're new to the channel guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, click that subscribe, and click the bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.